Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Worldly Passion. From today I'm starting a new series on this channel related to studying and productivity. So if you guys are interested in watching more of such videos, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel and you can click on the bell icon near it so that you can get notifications for all the new uploads. In this video I'm sharing with you my study routine, and if you are interested, watch the video till the end and please give this video a thumbs up only if you like it. Now let's get started. My study routine usually starts 4 in the evening because I have my online classes in the morning. First of all, always before studying, I set up my environment. I always assure that space when I am studying is always neat, clean, tidy and well organized so that I can pay complete attention to my studies. I also assure that my study space is well lighted up. Like you can see, I have these three inbuilt light that lights my room. Secondly, I make a to-do list. My to-do list contains the date, the task I have to complete that day, and the total number of tasks that I have to do. Making a to-do list gives me a brief idea about the tasks that I have to complete that exact date. After making my to-do list, I actually start studying. First of all, I choose the hardest task from the to-do list. In my case for today, I have Hindi. Then I get up and collect all my stationery essentials and also my book and notebook so that I don't get up again and again to get each one of them one by one and I don't waste my time. In every study session, I always choose the hardest task first because in the starting I am always motivated and I am most probable of completing that hard task first. And when I feel like giving up or I can't do any more, I take up an easier or an interesting task. And for me that means note taking. This is the most easiest and interesting task according to me. One thing that I always pay attention to during my study sessions is to take regular breaks because regular breaks refreshes us. Most of you might be following the Pomodoro method, which states that you have to work for 30 minutes straight and then take a 5-minute break. But because some tasks require consecutive minutes, long time of attention, Pomodoro method doesn't work quite well. So I work 45 minutes straight and then take a 15 minutes break. I continue this cycle of studying for 45 minutes and taking 15 minutes of break for 3 to 4 times. Until then it's already 6 p.m. in the evening. If I have left something to study, I'll study or finish that work in the night time because I then take a long break. I play and have fun and hear almost my study session.